Go, go! Yes! Well done!
Let's just fucking go all one word. Come on, Ribs. Come look at that. Boys, stand up. Stand to the front. Stand up. Like this. Keep.
Good ball. Left tank.
Good ball.
Let's go. Come on, let's go.
Keep. Yeah, just shoot back. Go, keep it one. Go.
Yep, this tank.
Get deeper.
Hand. Good it.
Go on it. Oh, tough.
Let's have you here, please. No quick. Front man. One left. One side of me. One left. Thank you, Hooker. Wait.
Go, Jack.
What do you want, Whites?
Come on, rectangle.
You have a choice. Scrum away. Scrum, please. 15. Sell the ball.
If we have to do inside, then yeah.
Hooker on me. Look at here.
Scrum.
Crouch. Bind. Set. Position available.
All right.
Forward. Get with it. Go hard. No advantage. Scrum, please. Nice ball. Crouch. Bind. Set.
Yeah, let's go. Use him. Fight there.
Tackle. Leave it. Whoa! Leave it! Wait! Let's go! Advantage over! Post! On the floor. Down. Come on, ref. Half time, James.
So welcome along to round 2 of the Welsh 7 series here at Tonna RFC. Apologies in the first half, a few technical difficulties with the audio, but we are back here with game 1 between the Conker Knights and the PROSTATE CYMRU Sevens team. 5-5 at half time. With me, Griff McKee. Griff, welcome along. First Welsh 7 series.
Yeah, excited for today. Obviously a big day ahead. And this game between one of the favourites to take the title today, the Conker Knights. But it's been a close affair in the first half. Be interesting to see how the second half goes.
Yeah, and in round 1, the Conker Knights in the group stage looked absolutely fantastic. And then in the cup final, were leading at half-time against the Preseli Barbars. But the Barbars with a fantastic comeback in that game. And I have to admit, I was surprised at that result. But opening the round this time, the Conker Knights, as the PROSTATE CYMRU Sevens team will get us underway in the second half. And kicking away to the Conker Knights. From the base is Lawrence in the team this week in round 1, as the Knights come past 22 towards the 10-metre line. It's been spilled forward, and referee Alex Yao is going to award, let's say, a penalty to the Conker Knights. Through the middle, and now space for the Knights on this near side. Charging through, Rhys Davis. Good tackle from the PROSTATE CYMRU team. Fair contest, says the referee, and he's got his arm out. He has awarded the penalty to the Conker Knights in the end, but good defence there from the PROSTATE team, Griff.
Yeah, aggression as well from Kalafi Molitika. Plays for Bridgend Athletic, but he's clearly going to be impactful in the breakdown. Quite surprising to see Johan Rhys Davis let that one go, but ultimately it's still in the hands of Conker Knights.
And Kai Inca with that bleach blonde hair. Up towards halfway, and Inca's on the shoulder. Good offload there, and that is going to be a really well-worked try for the Conker Knights. And that is Johan Rhys Davis crossing over for the second try of this game. Well, he's going to give it to his partner in the end. A bit of trickery. Ian Bissell, the man who's going to score under the post and make that a much easier kick. Rhys Davis, unselfish there, gets his team in a better position to take that conversion.
Yeah, it's those fine margins at the end of the day in these games, you know. You see Johan Rhys Davies comfortably over the line, but that conversion could be the difference between taking the victory and the draw come the end of the match. We've seen PROSTATE Cymru score in the first half. I'm sure Conker Knights know of the ability of their opposition, and there you've got the experience of Johan Rhys Davies taking the ball inside. One pass and Bissell under the sticks.
Yeah, it was a really good support run, wasn't it, from Inca, who was on the shoulder of that man just over halfway, which got the space as the Conker Knights get us back underway, leading the game 12-5 in this first game, second round of the Welsh 7 series here at Tonna RFC. Normally down in the Knoll, home of Neath RFC, but maintenance work to the ground meant it's unavailable this year, but it's a fantastic venue here in Tonna as the PROSTATE Cymru come away. And that's a really good break through the middle. That's Max Brace, dragged down just around 22, but still alive here for the PROSTATE Cymru team. Morgan Hughes, kick over the top, and he's looking for Molitika in the corner. It's really well defended in the end, near his own line. Ellis Payne, I think that is down there, or maybe it's that's Freddie Drake Lee. Really well done by Drake Lee. Bit of a high tackle, was it? Referee's happy. Inca from the base. Bit of space here for the Knights if they can see it. Pass is just behind him. Good kick in behind. Drake Lee is chasing after it as well. Bissell is there as well, the try scorer, but really well recovered in the end. Gethin Jones. And a good pass out. And now PROSTATE Cymru are in. That is going to be their second try. And that is Aaron Grabham, who scores not quite under the post, but close enough to make that a competitive kick. And a nice move again from the PROSTATE Cymru team.
Yeah, lovely move. You could see the fatigue starting to kick in for both sides there, as number 9 for PROSTATE Cymru, I believe it was Gethin Jones, getting back to collect the ball. And then there was an opportunity to counter-attack, and here's the try. Opportunity to come level.
And the kick from Brace is offline, so it is going to be 14-10. That kick in the first half from the Conker Knights did go over. It was a close call, but 14-10 then to the Knights. But a good showing here from the PROSTATE Cymru team, who weren't involved in round one, but against a team like the Conker Knights, putting up a really good fight here and still in this game. And it's just spilt forward. Drake Lee looking to get down this near side off the kickoff. I don't think it actually went 10 metres in the end, so.
Yeah, it's quite fortunate actually for PROSTATE Cymru that Freddie Drake Lee actually decided to take the ball on, and ultimately what could have been a tap and go from the halfway line for the Conker Knights has resulted in a scrum here on this near side for PROSTATE Cymru. And an opportunity here to throw a little move they've prepared pre-match potentially.
And there can't be much longer in this game, so if the PROSTATE Cymru side could get a try here and could really upset the odds in the first game as the Conker Knights strip that one away. And that is the defensive prowess that they showed in round one. Absolutely fantastic, this team in defence. Payne through the middle, and that he's snaking his run, but he's going to get under the post. Ellis Payne. And just as I said that the PROSTATE Cymru team might be able to take the lead, there is a mistake in the midfield, and that is how quickly the Conker Knights can counter-attack.
Yeah, superb work from Ellis Payne. Found the gap, had the gas to go all the way under the posts. And you feel like that score to make it 19-10 could be that for this game. Conversion straight in front of the posts with ease. So 21-10 now. There's not enough time, you'd imagine.
You wouldn't think so, but anything is possible in rugby sevens, and we saw it obviously in the cup final last time. A fantastic last gasp comeback albeit it did take the entirety of the second half from the Preseli Barbars to come back in that game. You would think, yeah, as you said, Griff, that is the nail in the coffin of the Prostate team in this game, but nevertheless, a really strong start from them, and it's a penalty to the Concord Knights as they look for a fourth try. Theo Rogers was over there, and they're going to go in. Really nicely worked. And just that is how quick this team can strike off a set piece.
Yeah, Lucas Welsh was involved there to set up the try in the corner. Not too sure who was the individual in the end who managed to dot the ball down. However, the story of the match is the Concord Knights. This is their standard. This is how good they can be. You know, first half was close, but second half they've taken the game away.
And that is the end of the first game in the Concord Knights after a bit of a slow first half by their standards. Have really come out in that second half, and in the end have scored 4 tries and have taken the first game comfortably. So the Concord Knights with the first win of the day, and they will look to strike back in round 2 of the Welsh 7 series.